Okay, so yeah, we're gonna bring this out and check our hip. Hey, how you doing, guys? So my name is Jay. Some people call me Jurij. So what we're doing this month and gonna do every other month, we're gonna do classes. We're gonna do workshops. We're gonna do 3 workshops. The one workshop, it's about assessment, postural correction, palpation, and customer care. The second workshop is gonna be manual therapy and massage therapy. We're gonna teach how to apply advanced manual therapy to the customer to correct it and help him out. So take a deep breath. And I welcome you. This third book is going to be about the business, self-grow, branding, good stuff, because I am spend a lot of time and money on that till I learn what I really should do. Don't make this mistake. Take those classes. It's a live class in Los Angeles and also online. Also classes recording on Patreon and YouTube channel. So follow up and we'll be glad to help you to grow your practice and to become a lead master massage therapist. Okay.